There's nothing that I like more than a beautiful roasted butternut. It's one of my all-time favorite winter vegetables. Gochujang, merging two worlds, a South African world where we quintessentially roast butternut, always with honey, cinnamon, all those beautiful butter flavors. And then bringing in a bit of Korean flavors, gochujang. Think of that miso flavors, that soft chili flavors, making a runway ready. I like serving roasted butternut with something like a roast chicken or Sunday roasted leg of lamb. Abigail made the sweet potatoes once this was basically this. I was a baby, Mia, I didn't have hair. And I still can taste that. There's also a deep emotional connection when it comes to winter vegetables. So by adding a few simple things, you can still retain that into the oven. Gochujang is a quintessential Korean ingredient. If I think of Korean food, I immediately think of kimchi, a very quick way to make a kimchi. Braise some cabbage in your pan, add some gochujang to that, and let it simmer down slowly. You'll get that flavors of a kimchi. Obviously, kimchi needs a bit of time, but we like a bit of a cheat, don't we? You can find this recipe in the tribute issue of Taste magazine now on shelves. Look how beautiful this looks. I promise you this is winter on a plate. Look out for my recipes in this brand new series on winter favorites.